Welcome to Unit 5. This unit is all about future plans and dreams. I'd love to buy a house somewhere hot and close to the beach. I want to spend more time outdoors and take up a new sport like beach volleyball or surfing. What about you? What are your hopes and plans for the future?
I would like to study engineering at Oxford University.
I'm looking forward to finishing high school because I want to go to university then and I want to study fashion.
I want to be a successful businessman, so I am going to study economics at university.
In this unit, you'll learn about verbs followed by an ing form, like enjoy or love, and verbs followed by a to infinitive, like want or need. You'll also learn about ways to express future time using going to, will, and present continuous. I'm going to start saving money for my house on the beach. Do you know any people with a special talent, maybe in music or dancing or something else? In reading and speaking, you'll learn about two 16-year-olds, each with a special talent. You'll find out how they're using their talent and what it might mean for their futures. Vocabulary in speaking looks at phrasal verbs. These are verbs followed by an adverb or preposition. For example, come in, take up, look out. It's quite chilly today. I must put on a jumper. Everyday English looks at expressions you can use to express doubt and certainty. Is Manchester United going to win a cup this season? Well, I'm a Chelsea fan, so my answer is definitely not. And I'm absolutely certain about that. You can go online to look at the material again, do extra practice activities, and check your progress. Have fun. See you soon.